We need some healthy food. Now let's get an apple, send it down the conveyor belt. Scan the apple. It's only 10 cents today. Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun. I'm so excited today because it is our lucky day. We get to show you this Spark Create Imagine Deluxe Cash Register. This is an awesome cash register. We were able to buy it at Walmart. It's a super cool looking cash register. It comes with 19 pieces. They recommend that it's for children 5 years old and older. Here on the side of the box, we see what's included. There's some coins, a credit card, some dollar bills. There's a basket with some groceries. Here's some milk cartons. This looks super cool. This is what the back of the box looks like. It says right here, includes 1 cash register, 1 shopping basket, 4 play food boxes, 1 play credit card, 6 pieces of money, and 6 coins. This looks like so much fun. The other end is identical to the first end that we showed you. This cash register is so cool. I can't wait to get it open. Let's open this up. So we finally got our cash register free, and we got our basket of food free. Let's attach this scanner. It looks like this part and this part connect right here. Now the scanner has a nice place to sit. This scanner makes a beeping noise. This welcome button says welcome when I push it. This one says thank you. This one says bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I think that's really cool. This is a scale. When we push this $ button, the cash register drawer opens. This is the button we push to turn on the cash register. 1 + 1 = 2. This button clears out the cash register. And this is the off button. This button right here says try me, and when we push it, this conveyor belt moves. It's really cool. This button beeps and lights up when we push it. It's really cool. Now let's check out what we have in this basket. Here is a carton of milk. Here is a carton of low-fat milk. Here is a box of cookies. This is a box of puffs. Really cute. There's a few more things in this basket. This is a credit card. We have some cash. This is 20, 20, 10, 10, 5, and another 5. And then it's hard to tell, but there's some coins in the bottom of this basket. These are pink coins and they have different numbers on them. This says 25. This one says 50. This one says 50. This is 25. This is 10. And this is 10. Now that we have this all open, I think we should go shopping. Let's use our scanner. And we're gonna buy some puffs. They're $1. Then we're going to buy some cookies. They're also $1. Now we're going to buy low-fat milk, and it is $3. Then we're going to buy a carton of regular milk, and it's really expensive today. It's $5. Our total today is $10. Let's look through our money and see if we can find $10. We have a 5 and another 5. That equals $10. Or we have a 10, so let's use the 10. We'll push the total button and put the $10 in the cash register. And now we can go home with our groceries. This cash register is so much fun. Let's play with it some more. Let's use our Walmart basket of groceries. I'm feeling super hungry, so I totally want to stock up today. Let's put a box of cereal on our conveyor belt. And let's scan this. There's a great sale at the store, so this big box of cereal is only 10 cents. We'll set it aside. We found another huge box of cereal we want to buy. Let's send it down the conveyor belt. This is also only 10 cents. Let's scan it. Set it aside. Wow, this is awesome. We found some Betty Crocker super moist yellow cake mix. Let's buy this. Let's send it down the conveyor belt. Let's scan it. It's $1 today. Now we found a box of spaghetti noodles. Let's send it down the conveyor belt. Let's scan it. This box of noodles is 50 cents. We need some healthy food. Now let's get an apple, send it down the conveyor belt. Scan the apple. It's only 10 cents today. Let's get a delicious cabbage. Scan it. It's 50 cents today. Oh, look at these delicious grapes. Let's take them home. These grapes are $1. Let's set them aside. Let's buy this chicken. This chicken is $5. We're gonna have so many delicious groceries. Let's buy an onion. This onion is 10 cents. Let's set it aside. Oh, that lemon looks delicious. Let's buy that. I love putting lemons in my water. This lemon is 15 cents. This broccoli looks fabulous. Let's buy it. This broccoli is 10 cents. Let's set it aside. Oh, that potato looks nice. They sell potatoes by the pound. They're $1 a pound, so let's put it on the scale. Yep, looks like it's about 1 pound, so this is going to cost us $1. Let's enter in $1 for the potato and set it aside. Oh, let's get an egg for our breakfast tomorrow. Let's send it down the conveyor belt. Hopefully it won't crack. Oh, I got it. This egg is 50 cents. Let's scan it. This is going to be so yummy. That corn looks delicious. Let's send it down the conveyor belt. This corn is $1 a pound, so let's weigh it. Oh, this corn is super heavy. It's 2 pounds. So this is going to cost us $2. Let's enter $2 into our cash register. Oh, I love mushrooms. Let's buy this can of mushrooms. This can of mushrooms is 50 cents. Let's scan it. Let's enter 50 cents into our cash register. This is going to be yummy. Let's buy a box of orange juice and then we'll call it good. This orange juice is $2 a carton. Let's scan it. Our total is $14.65. Let's use our credit card to pay. Did you see that sign pop up? That's what happens when our credit card's approved. Let's try it again so you can see it better. We swipe the credit card. The cash register makes noise and this sign pops up. So it means we're approved. Now let's fill our basket with all the delicious groceries we bought. Let's put in the cereal. Another box of cereal. A cake mix. A box of spaghetti noodles. broccoli, potato, onion, can of mushrooms, cabbage, lemon, turkey, or maybe a chicken, apple, grapes, orange juice, corn, and an egg. I'm so excited to take all these groceries home. This is going to be delicious. Oh, let's say thank you for buying all these groceries.
Thank you.
Now that we're going to go with all of our groceries, let's say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. One thing I know we forgot to do is to check out this microphone. You push this button and talk into the microphone and it amplifies the sound so you can hear your voice pretty loud. Let's try it. I'm going to talk into the microphone. Hi guys. Hi guys. Thanks for watching Toy Food Fun. This is pretty cool. I don't know how noticeable the sound is on the recording. In person, this works really well. I really like this feature. It's a lot of fun. Well, friends, thank you so much for shopping with us and checking out this toy cash register. It's been so much fun. I'm glad that you were able to join us and play with us. As always, if you like this video, be sure to click like and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you're one of the first people to get notice to all of our new uploads. Bye for now, but hope to see you again soon.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
See ya.